So what exactly is everyday leadership? Everyday leadership is leadership which is all around us. We just have to observe it, learn from it, and get inspired from it. Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of Coaching with Coach Prashant, where I share my almost 20 years experience as an executive, as an entrepreneur, as a master facilitator, and as a coach. Through this coaching tips, I want to share with you, experiences from my coaching sessions. Of course, all my coaching sessions are confidential, so all the names have been changed. But to learn from real people and real situations, that is the learning, and that can give you valuable visibility, recognition, and growth that you deserve. I would like through these coaching tips that you should be able to save valuable time, money, and effort and progress in your careers and your lives. Today's episode is on a subject which is very dear to all of us. Many books have been written on it, many countless webinars, and there's so much gyan out there, so much knowledge out there on the subject of leadership. But today I'm going to talk about a subset of leadership and something that I firmly believe in, which is called everyday leadership. So what exactly is everyday leadership? Everyday leadership is leadership which is all around us. We just have to observe it, learn from it, and get inspired from it. So Kunal was one of my executive coaching clients. His company had sponsored him for executive coaching, and they wanted him to be, in fact, he was tipped to be the next country director. In the process of coaching, Kunal shared with me that he thought he was not a very inspirational leader. He thought he was a bit underconfident about his leadership abilities. He felt that when he spoke to his team, they were not really inspired by him. And he said, Prashant, I wish there was somebody who could teach me the art of leadership. So in that particular session, I asked Kunal, what is it about leadership that is so difficult? Because look around us, leadership is all around us. A parent who sends their girl child in a rural village against all odds and gets her educated, they are leaders. Yeah. A girl, a woman, a person, any person born in very difficult circumstances but rises up in life is a leader. We can just learn from them. So I told Kunal, from chairman to doorman, everybody can be an everyday leader. So I shared with him 3 tips how we all can become everyday leaders. Number 1, observe. Number 2, appreciate, don't criticize. And number 3, inspire others. Number 1, observe. I told Kunal, start becoming more observant of people around you. Not just at work, in your family, in your friend circle, in your social circle, there are people who are really doing a great job. Sometimes people just go beyond the call of duty to help somebody and exhibit leadership. We can learn from them as well. People who keep their commitments, people who go that extra mile for others, people who give good feedback are all everyday leaders that we can learn from. We just need to become more observant. The second, appreciate, but don't criticize. When I was doing my MBA, we had to do one project on businesses which were around our university. So we all submitted our reports, but we were all very critical of those businesses. They don't do this, they don't do that, they are lacking this, they are lacking that. I remember my marketing professor gave us a very important piece of advice. He said, all these businesses that you people have written business plans on are successful businesses. Why don't you focus on their successes? Why are you only focused on their failures, on criticizing them? Appreciate the good qualities of others. Start seeing what you can learn from others rather than what is lacking in you. And the third thing I told Kunal is be the change, inspire. You have it in you as well. You are watching webinars, you told me you read books, you read blogs. You are such a well-read person. We have had such intellectually stimulating conversations. Why don't you share that knowledge with your teams? Why do conversations only have to be work-related? They don't need to be. Show that part of yourself which is so interested in other areas of life. Inspire others to learn from your journey. Kunal, in fact, really took that to heart, and he came back to me in one of the future sessions and he said, Prashant, I told my team about this recent love for gardening that I've got, and how I've started gardening, and I bought potted plants and I've started growing indoor plants, and my family is so surprised at my behavior. And in fact, he said, don't believe it. My teams have started doing that as well. In fact, we've started a little competition within our teams as to whose plant is better in everything. And it has just increased team engagement. I told Kunal, you are on the journey to becoming an everyday leadership. And he smiled. Friends, if you like what you heard, please like, subscribe and share on the link given below. I would love to hear from you and share with you tips and techniques related to everyday leadership and other topics as well. Friends, if we can learn from other people's experiences, we get the valuable visibility, recognition and growth that you deserve. I'll be waiting to hear from you.